Whether you're a new user or a long-term user, there are times that you have more questions or you would like to learn more about every particular screen. So if you notice on every single tab, no matter where you are, there is a label, and on each label, there is a picture of a question mark on there. So when you click on that question mark, you will come to a tutorial screen. And from that screen that came in, you basically initially see some frequently asked questions perhaps, or in some cases you might see, if I close this and let's say I go to deal screen and I go instead over here, um, you see different type of questions. And occasionally you may see just immediately a video or a recording that you can also watch. So in this case, if there are some questions that you're interested in and you click on it, then you get some information on it. And if you want to send that to someone else in your organization, you can get this link and that's basically copied, and you can paste that into your email or someplace and send it to someone. So there are a lot of questions here for this particular area that you're in. And the advantage of these tutorials is that some cases, as an example, if I were to go up here to search and look for instance, e-sign or anything else, not only you get whatever the e-sign, what the wording of e-sign was, it shows you screen by screen where they are and what it means and how is the e-sign basically is related to that particular topic. So you just basically can go through every single tab, security, everything that is there to know for e-sign. And sometimes what you can also do, go Control F, and again, if you just type in the word e-sign, then the system will show you area by area why those particular topics were related and they came up. But as an example here, if I want to see a full tutorial and I click on it, then you get a picture of the certain area of the program and with the instruction what to do to be able to do some of the things that you're interested in. So the reason we're covering this is the fact that by calling us and trying to get sometimes information, which is fine, we can do one-to-one or group meetings online and discuss things. But the advantage of this is that you can learn things on your own speed and when you are available. So, for example, if I were to go to contract screen right now and I have a printer or something, I wanted to set it up, I'd be able to come over here and look at things how I do, for instance, Okidata or Laser, however that's going to be, or how I edit a form. And I can take my time, I can read it, I can view the information and try to make it happen. And if for that reason, if there's still you have more questions, then you can send us a TSM through this link up here, and we'll be able to help you out. But the value of going to different areas of the program for the type of help that you might need to do that at your own speed, to do that at your own time, it's always critical. Instead of having all that information try to cover all that information with you on a phone call. There's no way that everything can be discussed. But again, going through these areas, then you can self-learn and invest your time when you have time available and learn more about how the software works. So we always encourage everyone when they starting to use the system not to rely on being a spoon-fed of information by others, instead to be self-learning a little bit and learn all these tricks and aspects of the software that we might necessarily not mention on a phone call or on a tech support message itself. So very critical to learn these tutorials before you engage with more of needing support from ASN. Thank you.